70% of people living in the United States who are married ends up in a divorce before the seventh year of their marriage. That includes Jamaicans living abroad. Trust me when I say this. Bob is the last person to ask for advice about matters of the heart. But people must be compatible before you decide to get together. Let me say it again. There must be some compatibility with people before you get together, or else your chances of staying together is very low. Now, what does that mean? Um, People must be able to choose partners based on substance, not based on succulence, or else your chances of staying together is very low. Compatibility. Thanks again for watching Wake Up and Live with Bob. If you haven't yet done so, please like, share, press the notification bell, and tell someone about my channel. Thanks again for watching.